Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the country in the GoFair application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And if you scroll down at the other section, click on the Settings button. And then click on the Country button. And then click again on the Country button. And if you scroll down or if you scroll up, you can set your country, and once you found it, just click on the Done button once and again, and as you can see, your country is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.